Hi, it's Mark again. I have a short up with combining cheese and chocolate, like a brownie or Oreo cookies. Here's another little interesting flavor combination. I don't have a recipe for it, but if you're just kind of sitting around, you want an interesting taste. Got some peanuts, got some mustard, and just put a little shake up your mustard first. Just a little squirt of mustard on it. Come on. Just a little bit. Doesn't have to be a lot. And try it. It's an interesting combination. If I ever come up with a recipe for something combining peanuts and mustard, I'll put it on. But right now, try it. It's just an interesting flavor combination. Come back and see more videos. Subscribe, like, make a comment. I know this one might get some comments, people saying, "You're an idiot, Mark." Well, that's okay. I can take it. So come back. Thank you.